Hello dear students, today we will read chapter 7 and imperial capital Vijayanagara. In this module we will read about Vijayanagara. Dear students, Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 14th century. See, the name of the empire is Vijayanagara, mean city of victory. This empire is known by its victory. It itself is known as an empire or a name of city. It stretched from Krishna River in the north to the extreme south of the peninsula. It means the empire stretched from river Krishna to south of the peninsula. Dear students, this empire was founded by two brothers named Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai. What I am saying, it is Harihar Rai and Bukka Rai. Let's read about the four dynasties which played very important role for the foundation of this empire. Let me write the very first. It is the Sangam dynasty. Sangam dynasty, it ruled 1336 to 1485. So long period. The very famous or the brave rulers who founded the empires, they were like that. And the very first is Harihar Rai. Harihar Rai. After that, it is Bukka Rai. Both are Harihar first or Bukka Rai first. Harihar first ruled 1336 to 1356. Bukka Rai first ruled 1356 to 1377. After that, Harihar second. Harihara second. Then Bukka Rai second. They ruled, and then two other fellows. They ruled till 1485. They are Devaraya first, Devaraya second. After that, this empire declined, and one new dynasty it start ruling the Vijayanagara. Let me write the second dynasty. We started it is continued till 1485. After that, one, because these successors they were weak enough. After that, the new dynasty that started ruling, known as it is the Sallu dynasty. It is the Sallu dynasty. The time period of that one is 1485 to 1505. 1485 to 1505, that is known as the Sallu dynasty. Two fellows were there, the great rulers of there. The very first is Narasimha. He ruled 1485 to 1490. Same it happens here with this, though its successor was able enough, but after them they were not so much able. The next one is Narsa Nayaka. It is 1490 to 1505. After that empire declined and one new dynasty that started ruling here. Let me write the new dynasty's name. That is the Tulu dynasty. That is Tulu dynasty, ruled 1505 to 15870. Dear students, you have to remember this dynasty is very much important for विजयनगरा empire. जैसे पहली सबसे important अगर मानते हैं तो हम संगम डायनेस्टी को मानते हैं कि जिसने इसकी फाउंडेशन की थी. दूसरा जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है और पहली से भी इंपॉर्टेंट है वो है तुलु डायनेस्टी. During that time period, Vijayanagara Empire stretched far away, and its glory that reached not only within the country but outside the country, and it became one of the most famous empire during that time period. So, which peoples are the famous rulers during that time period? The very first is Veer Narasimha. He ruled 1505 to 1509. After that, the most important ruler of Vijayanagara Empire, by his name Vijayanagara is still known. He was very brave, very intelligent. During that time, his empire, Vijayanagara Empire, stretches far areas. कहते हैं कृष्णदेव राय के समय पे एम्पायर बहुत दूर तक फैला था. द सेकेंड, द इंपॉर्टेंट वन इज कृष्णा देवा राया. He ruled 1509 to 1529. विजयनगर एम्पायर सबसे ज्यादा एक्सटेंड हुआ था. इनके शासन काल में सबसे लंबे क्षेत्र तक इन्हीं के एम्पायर में फैला था. सबसे ज्यादा ग्लोरी इन्हीं के शासन में विजयनगर एम्पायर को मिली थी. आफ्टर हिज डेथ, इनकी डेथ के बाद कहते हैं विजयनगर एम्पायर डिक्लाइन हो गया था. लेट मी कंटिन्यू द After Krishnadev Raya, the successor, they were unable. They ruled till 5070, but they were not so important. After that, the last dynasty which ruled in Vijayanagara Empire, known Aravidu dynasty, 1570 to 1674. 1674. During that time period, this dynasty ruled. इस डायनेस्टी ने शासन किया था. उसके बाद कहते हैं ये एम्पायर डिक्लाइन हो गया था. ओके, गुड डे.